Hey y'all, I'm Aunt Sandy from Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. We want to thank God for a really great first year. We hit one and almost hit another goal. We are ending the year with 800 subscribers, 100 videos, and this video is marking 100. I appreciate every one of you, my subscribers. Thank God for all your likes, your comments, and your questions. I love to cook, I love teaching, and I love sharing my recipes with y'all. Also, this has been a great way to document my recipes with my family, my friends, and you. I'm looking forward to next year and what it's going to bring. Please share in the comments of what recipes y'all would like to see next year. And as always, God bless, and I hope you have a happy new year. Hey y'all.
Maybe not.
Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. Welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen. And apparently I'm Aunt Sandy. I'm Aunt Sandy, and welcome to Aunt Sandy's Kitchen, or Aunt Sandy's living room. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.